All right, today we are going to experiment in this area called Apple Valley. Now, I'll be telling you that there aren't many or any apples in this town. I'm not really certain why they call it Apple Valley, because it is pure desert. But I promise if you stick around, we'll make this really interesting. When driving through town, I noticed this. Yeah, car and dog wash. So what, do you just leave your dog in the back of your pickup truck and then wash everything at the same time? That makes sense. It makes a lot of sense with the territory around here. And lots of smoke shops. Lots of those. And also mini marts. For sale. Dirt. And tumbleweeds, I'm sure. Honestly, if I get it wrong, I don't know where the city begins and the city ends. It's just, this is kind of a weird place. So I don't really see it downtown. It's just kind of lots of strip malls like this. More dirt. For sale, you can own it. Well, some of these houses are pretty nice. Look at that one. Look at that thing. Pretty nice. Big lots, all kinds of stuff. Not bad. Yeah, in the summer it gets the triple digits all the time, pretty much. In the winter, it's like freezing. Sometimes it even gets snow. And wind, you must love wind if you come here. You know, this is the nicer part of town. Lots of rock. We got gray rock. What's that, brown rock? Yellow rock. Big rocks. More gray rock. Another kind of gray rock. Or kind of pinkish, isn't it? Lots of tile roofs. Nice houses, though. But definitely no signs of any apple. No apple trees in Apple Valley. That's just fine. I know we're going to find the interesting stuff soon. In fact, I saw some of it, but I'm not sure if it's actually Apple Valley, but it's very close by. Let's go over there and take a look. How about the apartment life out here? Wouldn't that be exciting? Yep, I got an apartment in Apple Valley. Kind of like rocks if you live out here. It is kind of nice in the winter. Pretty darn hot in the summer when it's 112 or 115. Right up the street is actually Victorville, but it's very close by and they all kind of blend together. Yeah, there used to be a house on that thing. It's always a good sign when they got paper on the windows. Yep, that's always good. I don't know what the heck's on that one. A devil? Who knows? Interesting. And the chain link in the front yard's always great news for a nice neighborhood. Little meeting with code enforcement. Yeah. That looks like they're waiting for the bus, but looked kind of scary to me, actually. Let's look. That guy's just sitting there, waiting for the bus. So they can go to the better part of town, I suppose. I think that's where I want to stop for lunch. Oh, darn, it's closed. Huh. Absolutely no homeless people here. Nothing. And then, I don't know, is that just graffiti or is that custom paint or what the heck is that? I guess it's kind of cool looking, isn't it? Pretty neat. I don't know. Looks artistic. And they sell tires here, I think. Tires. Victor's Tires. Across the street from this nice home sweet home. I know you're jealous, but it's all mine. And this guy, I don't know what the hell he's up to. You know, those guys over there? Yeah, it looks like almost like some sort of gang activity. Across from the train station with all kinds of interesting folk over there. Train station, bus stop, you name it, it's all in the same spot. What's today? Is it welfare check day or something? I don't know, everybody's outside. And this is proudly Route 66. How about that? Closed, boarded up, homeless, yeah. I got furniture for sale on the front porch. This guy. Whatever. I don't know. I always liked historic Route 66. It's just that it's really gone to crapping when it's in California. Nice sign on that one. Go to the local palm reader. He'd just tell you, oh, you're totally screwed if you live out here. Another tire shop. I mean, I've seen like 4 of them so far. And then this stuff. Interesting. Wow. Oh my goodness. Nice fence. Really. Wow. Interesting. It's just everywhere. How many little cars can you rent in the front yard? And I'm proud to be an American. Yep. We're in that neighborhood. But it just so happens to be this is Victorville. There's a lot of interesting things there. I don't know if I'm able to film all in the same sitting, so let's go back to Apple Valley and look at some other interesting things over there. I'm sure I'll find the better part of town pretty soon. But for now, got plenty to look at here. This is pretty cool. Another closed one. Closed or remodel? I'd say closed. Alright, just dump your old tires outside, that's fine. Right next to my apartments. That's where I'm moving in right there. I'm telling you. Just dump your mattress out here, it's fine. Curb alert! Check Craigslist. Might be on offer up too. More apartments. Yes, this is Apple Valley, guys. How about abandoned apartments? Oh, there's cars in the back. Nicer looking one over here. I'm sure the rent is high dollar in this neighborhood. Actually, you know what? Everything's high dollar in California. It doesn't matter where you go. Right across the street from a spare tire. Then you got this guy with his project car, but it's on a trailer, so it's legal. Must be kind of difficult for these homes right along here, being their apartments like that. Sure, high income level people live in there. All right, another look in case you're interested. Free pile. Look at the dirt on the road. Oh yeah. That must be mattress drop-off week. No, I'm pretty sure it's just that way out here. Yeah. If I put it on the side of the road, somebody will take it, I guess. I was looking at home prices around here, about $500,000. That's absolutely affordable to live out here. Man, isn't that great? This one's for rent if you're interested. It's got solar too, not bad. You know, back when these houses were $80,000, $90,000, it wouldn't have been too bad to live out here. But now at $500,000, really? I think it would just not be a great place to live to me. So is that a house with all those cars in front of it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I don't know how many are there. Lots of cars in front of that house. I'm sure, absolutely sure there's only one family living in that house. 100%. How'd you like to live in this nice little house near that one? Hit and miss all the way along. You just don't know what you're gonna get. You know, if I was living out here, I'd do the old Jim Cramer. Sell, sell, sell. Before that market drops. Maybe you'll be able to get something decent after living out here for a while. And that must be the mayor of Apple Valley's house. Thing's huge. Why would they build something like that out here? So you can look at this nice landscape. Yeah. Or this really nice golf course. It's like totally brown grass. Wonderful. Another look. The greens are even brown. Nice peeling fence. That's fine. To be honest, there's a lot of really nice homes around here, like this one. Really nice. And it just amazes me. Look at this dirt yard. And the house hasn't been painted in probably 30 years, probably, at least. Big sprawling yards. Giant homes. In the middle of nothing. With beautiful, colorful rock gardens out front. Nice. I'm not joking. These are really nice homes. Pretty nice. But the question is, why? Gonna pay $600,000 for that place? I think I'll pass. Nice desert living. 30 degrees in the winter, 120 in the summer. Love it. Move in tomorrow. Play golf on brown grass. Stunning. Right in the middle of nowhere. This guy even made his own parking lot. Man, look at that house. So we can get it in the video. It's huge. Right next to this one. Nice. This peeling fence. Nice. Look at this golf course. View. Yep. Got one out front. Nice looking fourplex right here. Not too bad. Right next to this. Curb alert. Yeah, just leave it there. It's fine. Or just, you know, do that. Well, there's always this idea here. I guess the trash guy just charges a little too much around here. 4 plexes, 8 plexes, you name it. All of it's here. And then you got a house right next door. How about that? Oh my God, look at that yard. Holy mackerel. Wow. One family for sure living there. Man. Yep, we're in that neighborhood. We found it. I'm sure there's a lot more. I don't know if I'll be able to show them all to you, but we'll do what we can. You too can move out here to commute to Riverside, 2-hour drive, by the way, in traffic, to work at Amazon. Great idea. You gotta live somewhere in this state. It's so doggone expensive. It's unbelievable how much stuff costs. Oh, another one. You know, they've been there for a while too. That didn't just show up last night. You know, it's funny because right up the street you have these nice homes and you have to drive through that neighborhood to get here. Wonderful. That's what I want to do. Jim Cramer, sell, sell, sell. Because literally, I think about 10 or 15 years ago, these were going for like 80 grand. And now they're up to $500,000. You'd be like, I am out of here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plex. I could just see this place on the weekend. Mariachi music and jumpies. Oh yeah, move in. Whoops, we missed. It's okay. Nope. Oh, missed it. Not my fault. Not my fault. I tried. Tried to get it in the trash can and couldn't make it. But it's okay. Because we are in Apple Valley. Where everything's just fine. Take a look at this. Another one. I know it's trash day, but those didn't make it. They aren't picking those ones up. You gotta be in one of those things to get picked up, guys. One of those blue things or something like that. They don't pick them up like that. Look at that. Beautiful. Ornamental stuff in the front yard. Love it. Next to a 4-plex or 6-plex. I don't know, they seem to be trending. They're almost all the same. It's like they have it through the neighborhoods of all these 4-plexes and 6-plexes and 8-plexes. Man, I tell you, that is just desirable. Whew. Yeah, right next to that. It's fine. Another one here, dead end. Whoops. My bad. TV under that trash can back there. Curb alert. Hey, here we go. Couple things hidden in the bushes. You can have them. They're all yours. Interesting folk here. Interesting. Wow. I think they did that on purpose. Interesting. Nice cars in the yard. Look at the trash. My goodness. I mean, listen, you guys, if you have no money, at least have some decency to take care of the surroundings around you. But no, not in Apple Valley. It's fine. Just leave it that way. It's fine. Home sweet home. Back house. Just needs a little repair on the front glass. It's fine. Another mattress. Wow. They must have had a local sale at the discount mattress place up the road or something. Maybe you can use your EBT card today. Looked like a really nice house, but look at all the crap in the yard. Oh, terrible. Next to another whatever that used to be a hotel, I have no idea. Maybe it's an apartment. Nice. Look at that one. And we just leave it like that. It's fine. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed our wonderful tour of Apple Valley. It's quite an interesting place. I'm sure there's much worse around here, but you know, I got so much time in my hands to do this, so I figured while I was out here, why not film it? And make your comments. I'd like to see what you guys say. Hopefully you enjoyed the video and made it up entertaining enough. These are about really awareness about California and what's been happening here. In this town, honestly, it really wasn't that bad 20 years ago. It was just, you know, wasn't really expensive, but, you know, now it's just like crime, homelessness, a lot of stuff that's happened over the last 20 years and just gotten worse and worse and worse, and it's gonna get worse until things really change. You know, that's the whole thing about what these are videos about. It's not just to rag on these guys who live in things like, is that a motorhome? Just saw this. Huh. I think so. Interesting. Yep. I guess this must be Walmart. Nope, it's Ross. But I can just tell there's a Walmart close by. I feel it in my blood. No, but there's a Super Target. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and keep watching. I'll be putting them up one a week, I'm hoping to do. And, you know, if you like them, you don't like them, that's fine. You can dislike the video too if you don't like it. Whatever you think, and leave your comment, hateful comment or nice comment, doesn't matter to me. It's fine. Thanks for watching. Talk to you in the next one.